Namaste everyone, Ganesh here from Yoga for Life. How the Sudhir sir helped me to take my business online, that I am giving you a review about the Sudhir sir. Thanks a lot that they helped me how to create a Facebook ads and the Instagram ads, and through that I got a clients and I took my business on the online completely. So if you are one of those who are looking the digital marketing, wanted to run a campaigns on the Facebook, Instagram, then Sudhir sir is one of the best option. You can go, and he's a helping. He is just like from the bottom of the heart. He's a very kind person and one of the truest one of you can say. So this is my review about how he helped the pixels, and there is a lot of so many things I'm not able to understand into the website as well, a landing page, thank you page, and the website building in the footer, header, and so many things. So you can go ahead to, maybe he will help you out to every step how he helped us. And thanks a lot Sudhir sir once again. God bless you. Have a good day.